Yo, can y'all hear me? Let me know. I'm trying to show this dude. You can code. You can get kits, starter kits. The Piper maker stem. If you got a Chromebook, look in your Explorer. Look in your Explorer application. It's called Explorer, right? You can go here. Look, I'm telling y'all right now. You know, some people don't know everything about a Chromebook, and then that's okay, because they're not trying to explore it. Get the Explorer app. I'm trying to tell this dude, Skull Playlist. I'm trying to tell him, bro. It's this thing called Piper Make. Get 50% off a Piper Maker starter kit, or 50% off a Piper Maker starter kit, plus controller tool kit bundle with your Chromebook. So you get this perk, right? You get the perk. It sends you to the website. Excuse me, I'm in a Fortnite match in the back end with Michaela, but anyways, you get 50% off. Okay, we already went through that. And you want to know more about learning how to code and use different, toolkits with your Chromebook. The stuff don't cost that much, man. I don't know why this dude be dissing the Switch and dissing the Chromebooks. I'm showing y'all videos, man. I put this on my blog sites and all that. Real talk. So follow along. Shout out to Savage Scientist too, because he be talking about coding, but in a different way. I'm talking about coding, for people that want to spend money on like Windows and MacBooks. You can do it on a Chromebook, but check this out though. You go to the Chromebook pages, right? You go to the perk page. There we go. Here we go. Look at this stuff, bro. Piper Maker. Look, a Chromebook. It don't even matter how much you spend on a Chromebook. You can code. It's showing you how to code. You can learn how to make games. You can learn how to play games, create your own Minecraft game, and giving you the parts. All right. It's showing you can buy the parts to make your game, code, all that, stem, all that. You know what I'm saying? Something that Kwame Brown ain't showing you how to do. I'm showing you how to do it. I'm showing you what websites to go to. I'm showing you what links to click on. Click on the links in the description box. Y'all know I'm all about that build and code technology. I told you, boys. Build and code technology. Look at this. Launch pipe. Look. I could probably. Oh, so I could do it right from the. Look at there. Look at there. Ain't nobody telling y'all how to do this stuff. My bad. I'm in this freaking game. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm in this freaking Fortnite game. My bad. But at the same time, look at this. Look at this right here. You don't even, if you got a Chromebook, you really don't need a Raspberry Pi. Your Chromebook is a Raspberry Pi. A Linux. I got plenty of videos of that. All these haters, bro. I ain't start hating, bro. I ain't teaching these boys nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'll give y'all links in the description box. All y'all gotta do is read. Read and click on the links in the description box. Read and click on the links. Let me turn that down. There we go. My bad. I was on my Switch. So here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We coding right now. We coding. It's coding right now. For free. You don't even need the toolkit. Just go to the website. I put the links in the description box. Go to the website and you can code right now for free. All right. Just go to the websites. Okay, so this is a website you can use to learn how to code. I mean, yeah, if you want to make the reds do something, the greens do something, the yellow, yeah, you're going to need the toolkit, okay, and copy assignments. Y'all can't tell me nothing, bro. Y'all can't tell me nothing. The Skull Playlist can't tell me. I'm calling him out because he's the main one. And all these streamers that thinking they can't do nothing with their Chromebooks. I'm showing you now. I'll show you the latest Linux update, the latest Chrome OS update. So it is what it is, bro. Y'all don't pay attention to y'all stuff. Y'all don't go out here online and read. Alright? Let's get the kit. Let's see how much the kit. Let's get the kit. $49 for the kit. Alright, $49 for the kit. You want to see what comes with the kit? Let's go show you what comes with the kit. These little things right here. That little thing right there. That's the box. These are the pieces that come in the kit. You see it? These are the pieces that come in the kit. It is what it is, man. Got a video explaining it. All you gotta do is look on YouTube. That's it. Look on YouTube. They tell you other stuff. You get SD card, but you can get like a 64 gig for $15. Spend $5 more to get 64 gig. And then you got your little pieces. They might be worth $2. You know, so get some little parts right now. I'm gonna start ordering me some little parts right now for my little coding kit. You know what I'm saying? Are we gonna prove Skull play this wrong? Cause all he do is talk. I'm gonna show you. All he do is talk. I'm gonna show you.